Hello friends, good morning and welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. And if you all like to stay with me, then please wait for the ending of this video. And I am here for discussing about the English communication and how we can be fluent in this. Okay, so I am also not that fluent, but I am trying it. I'm trying it. I made this channel um, for getting some region to speak English every day, because I also don't speak, and I don't think and I didn't think that I will ever be in front of camera. But I have dream to reach somewhere. That's why I'm here, and we are going to discuss here about the English communication skill and how we can get it. So for the fluency, you can uh, go with these four things, and these all are very easy, effortless. Okay, so what those all: listening, observing, speaking, writing. And after these all, we can write. For the first time you listen all these speakers, English speakers, then read newspapers, English books, English stories. And for starting reading, you need champak book, you need comic books, where short stories, and with short stories you can improve yourself for speaking, and you can go in the crowd and address in the same language. So uh, according to me, these things are necessary for learning English. and uh, and the most important thing is bye to hesitation. Say bye to your hesitation. Say bye of being afraid. Okay, now, and last, what we need to do every day: choose your topic. And why I'm saying that choosing topic? Because if you choose topic, example teacher, education, pollution, population, demography, and many more things, then you decide a topic, then you are going to search for that. You read, you speak, and you try to think, and then you will add your own point of view. So it's all make your learning effortless. I am trying this, and I had learned this much only because of these rules. And I know there is no necessary for grammar, but for making normal sentences day to day, and daily uses sentences, we must need, I think, tense model, and that's it. And then conjunctional words, and the most important is tense. So I will provide tense classes only in 5 to 10 minutes. You will be pro in this. So be with me. I am Sony, and I will provide you all a simple easy classes for being expert in this. And I will provide class 0 from the 0 level, because I didn't target only educated one. Because if I target the only educated person, they can learn easily. But what about uneducated one? So मैं कभी खोटा, कभी क्षेत्रीय भाषा, या कभी कोई ऐसी मनगढ़ंत कहानी बनाऊंगी जिससे कि ये कहानी से एक छोटी छोटी सी कहानी से ये इंग्लिश सीखना बहुत ही आसान होगा, और मैं हर एक वोकैब को अपने भाषा में, अपने भाषा से तोड़ मरोड़ कर ऐसा बताऊंगी जिससे कि जो बूढ़े लोग भी है, जो कभी सोचा भी ना हो कि हम सीख सकते हैं, जो हिंदी तक नहीं बोल सकते, वो इंग्लिश बोलेंगे। क्योंकि मैं जानती हूँ, मैं जिस क्षेत्र में हूँ यहाँ पे खोटा बोला जाता है और यहाँ लोग हिंदी भी नहीं बोलते। तो मैं खोटा से ही ऐसे चीज़ों को जोड़ूंगी जिससे कि खोटा और इंग्लिश सेम साउंड करने लगे, और उसके बाद तो फिर धीरे धीरे कम से कम वो वर्ड्स तो जानेंगे। ओके, and please, yeah, give me support also, because I'm also human being. I also feel frustrated. um, I was also feeling like crying many more time, because I'm not getting any response from you all. I don't know where am I wrong and where is my fault here. But